Gunman shot dead in reported shootout with cops in Gregory Park. Farmer charged for fatally chopping man in St. Elizabeth. Police constable charged with buggery, rape, and abduction in domestic abuse case. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. One man was fatally shot during a reported shootout with police in Gregory Park, St. Catherine, on Thursday. The police are reporting that a firearm was also seized after the incident, which took place close to the Gregory Park Primary School. Reports are that about 8:15 a.m., the police were carrying out an operation in the area when they saw a group of men acting in a manner that aroused their suspicion. The men were approached and they reportedly ran in the direction of the primary school. Reports are that one of the men from the group opened fire at the police team. The fire was returned and the man was fatally shot. The other two reportedly managed to escape. The police have since launched a search in the area. The St. Elizabeth police have charged 65-year-old farmer Joycelyn Bourne, also called Blacks, with the murder of Everton Powell, otherwise called Zeeks. Both men are from New Building District in St. Elizabeth. It is alleged that on December 9, Powell went to Bourne's home and called him. Bourne opened his back door and Powell used a machete to chop him on his right hand. A tussle ensued, during which Bourne chopped Powell several times in the head and the upper body. Powell was taken to the Black River Public Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. Bourne was taken into custody and subsequently charged. 31-year-old Constable Charlene Campbell, who is assigned to the St. James Police Division, was on Wednesday charged with forcible abduction, rape, and buggery in relation to a case of domestic abuse. Campbell is also charged with grievous sexual assault and assault occasioning grievously bodily harm.